Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya Nair from IT. It's a pleasure to be a part of the family and I'm very glad that I made it into the club. I think this says it all. Well, we had this virtual onboarding thing with all the members of Samskriti Club on 1st of May. I was really excited about it, but honestly, I was a little scared as well. Because it was the first time we first years were going to meet our seniors and interact with them, but everyone were so sweet and it was such a happy environment even though it was online. I can't wait to meet you all in person.
Hey everyone, I'm Ashwini from ECA. I felt so privileged when I was asked to share my views on virtual onboarding with Samskriti. Initially when you start something new or the day is going to be a first day in any aspect, so you might have certain expectation that things might go in this way or things might go in that way. So I had the same. So initially I was thinking might be our seniors will come, they'll allot us our roles and responsibilities which we'll have to do in the future, and things might just go, normally as how sessions used to go on in a school sometimes. But I think it was completely the reverse of what I imagined or what I thought of.
Good day. I'm Richa Sanjita from ECE. When I first got to know about a club named Samskriti in our college, I immediately began looking up for it. I was surprised to see what they participate in and their achievements. I also got to know that they were recruiting freshers. With all excitement and a little nervousness, I gave my best shot and became part of the family. Not letting COVID become a red tape, we had a virtual onboarding which was interactive, jovial, gave us a chance to know what to expect from the club and a chance to meet our seniors. We got to know about the wonderful experiences they had and we were more than glad to be there.
Hello, I'm Rajshri from ITA. Felt very much delighted to meet all the members of Samskriti. It was a first meet, but it was best. All the friendly and joyful seniors made me cheerful. Expecting more virtual meetings so that we can increase our bonding.
I think initially we just were like, oh, Samskriti Club, yeah, something we'll certainly have fun. So, but when we were explained about the structure and when the president spoke, when few seniors expressed their experiences, we felt so blessed or so fortunate to be a part of this club.
Hey everyone, this is Deepshika from CSCB. First of all, I'm so glad to be part of this Samskriti family. To be honest, when I entered into this GNITS, I was like, when I heard about these clubs and Samskriti, I was really very curious and enthusiastic to get into this, and finally I did it. Virtual onboarding, it went on really well and the peer group were really passionate. The seniors, oh my god, they were super friendly with everyone of us, and looking forward to have some great memories together.
Hello guys, this is Neha, the Samskriti representative of class B first year. I'm literally feeling very proud to say that I'm very excited to be a part of this family. I'm just loving it from the start, and thanks to all our lovely seniors who have conducted the onboarding. Though it was not offline, we were not able to meet offline. I even loved the online interaction. It was so good.
Hi, this is Sanhita from CSCB. Very happy to be taken in by the Samskriti. Although all of the sessions have been conducted online so far, I felt the positivity and interest of the seniors from the last live session we all attended together.
I wish all this COVID situation ends soon and we get to work with each other, conduct fest, make memories.
Wear that red t-shirt with Samskriti logo. Next, to learn new things in a joyful way. To organize an event with the members of Samskriti and to give my best to make it spectacular. And last, to serve beyond the boundaries.
I was like, I'm sure I'll get to manage people of different mindset, and collaborating all those mindsets together and obviously getting something beautiful and something amazing out of it is one such thing which I would love to learn.
As a fresher, I'm expecting wonderful experiences, fun, memories, building ourselves up into good and confident human beings along with our skills and talents being polished. Thank you.
The first thing is I'm looking forward to working with you all and making lots of friends, meeting different kinds of creative minds and learning from them. The third thing is I have been suffering from this for a long time. and that is I really want to get rid of my stage fear and throw it away somewhere. And the fourth thing is I really want to see everyone enjoy the events that we all put together after a lot of hard work.
As the representatives, we may face the many challenges in the course of time, but I want to face all those challenges with my Sanskriti family and my team, and I'm looking forward to share a very strong bond with you all.
As the Samskriti itself says, let's soar beyond our boundaries.